Hey folks, IR3.IR1, plotting and finding points. Okay, so let's say we have our axes. This is our x, this is our y. How do you remember which is which? I have the stupid mnemonic, y in the sky, okay? And then there's 4 regions. So this upper right is technically quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Arbitrary, but that's what they went with. But I guess this one makes sense because, right, these x values are all positive this way, and then, because this is 0, 0, right, negative this way, and then the y values are positive this way, and then negative this way. So everything in quadrant 1 is positive in the x, positive in the y. So I guess it makes sense why they'd put 1 there. Let's pick some points. Let's say you have 2, 3. So that's over 2, because remember all of they're x, y's in alphabetical order. X, Y, Z, so x, y, so over 2, up 3, put a dot. Let's say that was point A. Okay, let's make up a point B. Negative 3, positive 1. So go back 3, up 1. Back 1, 2, 3, up 1. Boom. Okay, let's make one up. Negative 2, negative 3. Back 2, down 3. So go back 2, down 3. Boom. Okay. And then let's see. Let's go 1, negative 2. So x, y, 1 in the x direction, negative 2. Boom. Okay, so that's just plotting points. And then they get a little advanced on us, but I'm sure we've done this all before in algebra. Let's see, at the very end of this IR3.IR1, they give us y is equal to 2x plus 1. They give us some x values, 2, 0, negative 1, and they want us to figure out the y value. Okay, so just plug 2 in here. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Now let x equal 0. Okay, so plug 0 in there. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Okay, now let's let x be negative 1. Put a negative 1 in there. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Ugh, negative 2 plus 1, that's a negative 1. Okay, so then they say, well, if that's the x and the y, what's the x comma y? Okay, that's just 2 comma 5. You really making me write this down? Yes, okay. No big deal. And then they say, oh, hey, why don't you graph that? Check out what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over 2, up 5, over 2, up 5, over 0, up 1, back 1, down 1. And they say, oh, check it out, they all lie on a straight line. Ah, so this forms a line, and they're just trying to prove it to you. Okay. Let's move on to the next one.